Credit cards are crucial financial assets for every business owner, individual and anyone that want to better handle their finances. Virtual credit cards are even best and have slight advantages over the physical credit cards. They help you to easily send and receive money online. In addition, some virtual credit card providers can help you to safely store your money without risk of being stolen and access it at any time. Free virtual card providers aren't easy to find, and some offer virtual card for free trials. Meanwhile, others offer virtual cards for purchases. In this video, I will show you how to get a free virtual credit card for free trials with any website. Firstly, you will need to download and install the app you see on the screen from the video description. Once you've installed the app, open it.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating.
You will need to provide your phone number for the setup. Select your country, then enter your phone number. Alternatively, you can use a virtual phone number for the setup. If you need a virtual phone number, then check out the video description. Enter the OTP sent through SMS to your number. Now you will need to verify your account with your ID documents. Do not worry, it is quite simple and the card will be issued to you when you finish the setup. Now provide your first and last name. Here you will need to take a selfie of yourself. Once you do that, click Confirm. At this step, if you are just opening a new account, just click on New User, and if you once had an account with them, click on Rayon Board. If you click on Rayon Board, you will need to wait for the support to get your account back on your device. Since we are opening a new account, I will just click on New User. Now, accept their terms and conditions and click on Next. Immediately, your unique free virtual credit card will be issued to you. You can use this free virtual credit card on Netflix, Spotify, order food, get Uber, link to gaming console and buy games online, and even add the card to your Google Pay and Apple Pay wallets and use on over 50 million stores worldwide. Click on Start Using and authenticate your device to access your account dashboard.
Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator.
You can buy Bitcoin with your virtual credit card in just few steps. To add money to your account, go to your dashboard and click on Add Money. Then select from the available top-up methods, the method that suits you the most, then follow the top-up steps. Let's walk through the fees involved with this free virtual credit card.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see,
You can use this virtual credit card for online payments and transactions, and even link the card to PayPal for safer transactions.